When it comes to keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient, your windows play a much bigger role than most homeowners realize. In Dallas, where temperatures can swing from scorching summers to chilly winter nights, proper window installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Even the highest quality windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Proper window installation ensures that your home maintains a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. In a climate like Dallas, where air conditioning works overtime for much of the year, even small gaps or poor sealing around windows can lead to significant energy loss. This means your system has to work harder, increasing your energy bills and reducing overall comfort. One of the biggest benefits of professional window installation is eliminating air leaks. When windows are not installed properly, tiny gaps can form between the frame and the wall. These gaps may seem minor, but they allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. In the summer, this means hot air sneaks in, forcing your AC to run longer. In the winter, warm indoor air escapes, making it harder to keep your home cozy. A properly installed window creates a tight, secure seal that prevents these issues. Installers use precise measurements, insulation materials, and sealing techniques to ensure that your windows fit perfectly. This airtight fit helps maintain indoor temperatures more effectively, which directly translates to lower energy consumption. Moisture control is another important factor. Improper installation can allow water to seep in around the window frame, leading to damage over time. Beyond structural concerns, moisture can also affect insulation performance. When insulation becomes damp, it loses its effectiveness, which can further impact your home's energy efficiency. Proper installation includes flashing and sealing techniques that keep moisture out and protect your home. In Dallas, sunlight is another key consideration. Properly installed windows help maximize energy efficiency by supporting features like low emissivity, low E glass, and proper alignment. These features reflect heat away from your home during hot months while still allowing natural light to enter. However, if a window is poorly installed, these benefits can be compromised, reducing the overall efficiency of the product. Another advantage of correct installation is improved insulation around the window frame. Professional installers use high-quality materials to fill any gaps and ensure there are no weak points. This added insulation acts as a barrier against outdoor temperatures, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without over-relying on HVAC systems. Noise reduction is an added bonus that many homeowners appreciate. Properly installed windows not only keep air from leaking but also help block outside noise. In a busy city like Dallas, this can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort and overall living experience. Investing in proper installation also extends the lifespan of your windows. When windows are installed incorrectly, they can shift, warp, or develop operational issues over time. This not only affects energy efficiency but can also lead to costly repairs or early replacement. A professional installation ensures your windows perform as intended for years to come. For homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency, it's important to understand that installation is not an area to cut corners. Choosing experienced professionals ensures that every detail, from measurement to sealing, is handled with care and precision. In the end, proper window installation is one of the smartest ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency in Dallas. It helps lower energy bills, improves comfort, and protects your home from potential damage. If you're considering new windows or replacing old ones, make sure installation is a top priority. It's the key to getting the most value out of your investment.